morning, guys. This morning is a beautiful morning. It's super early. It's still kind of dark outside, guys. It's not, sun is not out yet. You know me, I get up early in the morning, super early. It's about 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. After 6, the sun is just coming up. So today, don't have much to do today, guys. Today I'm just heading down to the salon right now. As I said, we still waiting on permits. Ain't no permits yet, guys. I am gonna get with the architect today. It's been a couple days, so I'm gonna reach out to him today just to see what, if there's any news in terms of the county, if they reached out back to him. The county deals with the architect directly. I haven't been, talking to them or anything like that. They gave us a login to our account to see what's going on, but there's nothing updated on that account. There's nothing we could see on there. As far as the back and forth between the architect and the county, they told us it would have been updated, but for some reason it's not getting updated. So on their end, they don't update that website, that account. So I just have to rely on the architect to tell me what's going on. They send him back and forth emails, and he logs into his part of it to see where they're at. Drinking hot water this morning, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna check with him today just to see if what's the process, what's the update on that. But yeah, other than that, I'm here. I'm heading to the salon, check on it real quick to see if it's if it's clean. Went there yesterday morning early. I haven't been back there. There's one room. Oh god, it's early. I have to yawn. Alright, so I have one room I'm gonna insulate. I still didn't get a chance to take the insulation from the trailer yesterday. So sometime today I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the insulation out and then go over there either later tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna head over there and try and insulate that room. I have one vent to move over and then insulate that room. So not much to do today. Today I'm just posting, editing videos and posting stuff. As far as the peppers project, not much to do. I'm just waiting on the permit before I could do anything else. That and let's see. I gotta get my daughter later on today. But other than that, nothing else to do. We'll see if something comes up. Normally I'll be here and I say there's nothing to do, but then it turns out to be the busiest day. So I know one of the tenants, they wanted to paint a wall, so they're getting the paint for that wall. So if they get the wall, I'm gonna be painting that wall. It's just an accent wall, so I'll be painting that wall tomorrow or Sunday when they don't have any clients. So we'll see. I'll see how the day goes. So stay tuned, guys. I'm heading over to the salon. Let's go see how bad that is, or if it needs cleaning at all. We'll see what's going on. Oh, I think we had one move out yesterday too. We had one person that was supposed to be the last day yesterday. So I'm gonna check on that room, and I have to redo it, freshen it up and make it look new again. So I'm gonna check on that room shortly when I get there. Anyhow, it's early, guys. Give me a few. Stay tuned. Thanks for the subscribers. I appreciate it. A lot of you guys hit that subscribe button over in the past 2-3 days. You've been hitting that button, so obviously I'm maybe doing something right. So stay tuned. I'm dropping shorts. I'm dropping videos. yesterday's video. I have it to be uploaded, so when I get back home I'll upload yesterday's video. So stay tuned, guys. I hope it's interesting. I hope what I'm doing and talking, all this gossiping and let you know what's going on, it's life every day, guys. Welcome to life every day for me, you know. This is what I do every day. So some days I may do nothing, some days I might, you know, be just going to the salon every day. So as I said, it's a life every day, and this is what I do every day, you know. If I go out or I go to the beach or I go somewhere, you'll see it, you know. It's not gonna be in details, but you'll see what I do for that day. Alright, so as I said, guys, keep pushing, you know. Just keep going, no matter what the day brings. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. You know, one day we'll look back on whatever happened and say, hey, look at that, and we're over it now. So just keep pushing, just, you know. All right, guys, I'm gonna head over. I'm heading over to the salon, so I'll see you when I get there. All right, guys. So I'm here at the salon. Everything is cleaned. Front mat, back mat. I gotta vacuum this mat. But so yeah, everything look good. Bathroom clean. Bathroom clean. Soap is topped up. Toiletry is topped up. Sink is clean. Hallways are clean. So this room right here is pretty much a tiny room. We had a tenant in here for a couple months. It was just temporary. So today, this morning, yesterday was our last day here. So I'm just gonna go through it real quick. It's not bad. It just needs, you know, mopping, cleaning. You know, take the garbage out. Well, that's my garbage. I just, you know, swept up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go through and clean the furniture, clean, you know, the cabinets, clean the sinks, clean, you know, door handles, everything. Just sanitize the whole room, clean the mirrors, you know, clean the chairs and the floor, and then, you know, get it back up to, you know, where we could rent it. The moldings, you know, got some scuff marks on the moldings right there, so I'm just gonna repaint the moldings, you know, all the way around. It gets scuffed up. So every time someone moves out, pretty much it kind of gets scuffed up a little bit. So we gotta, you know, touch it up, make it look new again. Dust the chandelier, make it, you know, looks good again. Yeah. So yeah, that is it, you know. Yeah. Person that was in here said that she loved it. It worked for her. It's real small, but it worked for her. They just mostly did like braiding and, you know, hair braiding and what do you call it? Natural hair. That's what she does. So she didn't need any of that, you know, like she'd be doing men's cornrows and stuff like that. So it was just temporary, so we knew she was gonna be leaving at this time. Yeah, the room is not dirty. I don't have to paint it. All I have to do is just clean it. Pretty much, it doesn't need any painting at all. Just, you know, wipe the walls down, clean it down, and then it should be good. I'm here, I'm done. I'm just gonna clean the kiosk in the front, and then I'll probably come back another day and clean this room. I could do it now, but I'm gonna come back. I got some other things to go do, so I'm gonna take care of those. yeah, so let me go clean the kiosk in the front, clean the front door glass, and then that should be it. The room next door, 2 doors down, that's the room I'm gonna have to put the move the fence. I'm gonna have to move the fence over. So like that right there, that's a return vent right there. That one right there, that's a return vent. So I'm gonna have to move that return vent over. Down there, I had put a wall in between. This wall right here, I had separate the wall and not separate the room, and I made it into 2 rooms, right? So one of those vents, the wall fell right between the vent, so it's shearing one over here, one over here. So that's causing a problem because whenever you talk, the sound goes through the vent over to the next side. So I'm just gonna move that vent over into one side and then add another vent for the other room. That should take care of that problem. So with that being said, I'm gonna come back down here later tonight or tomorrow and get that done. I'm gonna have to bring some insulation as well. I'm gonna insulate that room to where there's no sound, so that we don't have any sound leaking over. These walls right here, they're not insulated. The interior walls in this building, they're not insulated. So if you talk too loud, you will hear your neighbor, and vice versa. So we can't rip the walls out and then insulate them, re-insulate them. So the most we could do is insulate the ceiling, and put like door moldings, what they call them, like door scrapers or something like that under there, to kind of get the sound, keep the sound in the room. These ceilings right here, I had to insulate all these ceilings because this ceiling is a thin plastic. It's not acoustic. Those office building ceilings, they're more like a thin plastic ceiling. So it's thin, so that the sound travels through it really easily. So I had to insulate these ceilings. So on top of it, it's got insulation. The whole top, the entire top has insulation. So I'm gonna do the same for that other room down there. That way the sound don't travel through, up and over. Alright. For some reason, when you talk in these houses or buildings, the sound don't actually go through the wall. The sound is going up the ceiling. Once you have a drop ceiling, it's going up and over into the next room. Because if this ceiling wasn't insulated, sometimes the barber way across the hallway, I'll hear him talking over there and it travels over into this room. So, yeah. All I have to do is just insulate. I did it to this room and the barber room, and it worked. So for this room over here, all I gotta do is just do this. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna clean the kiosk and then head back over to the house. I have a video to edit to upload. I'm gonna upload that video and get the day started. All right. Then guys, so someone met in an accident there, right out in the street. That car ran in the back of that pickup truck. Apparently they were turning or something. They seem to be okay though. The guy in the white car who hit pretty much came out, so I guess he's okay.
Everybody okay?
Yeah. And then the guy from the truck came out, so I guess he's okay as well. Yeah. That's crazy. Apparently he was probably turning It was loud. I was sitting inside and I just hear that screechy sound and everybody running out because it was that loud. So yeah. Oh, I guess they're okay because both of them came out, so I guess they're okay.